Yo, we're in the construction site.
Don't touch the
We are
insulation.
downstairs. We are in the basement. This is underground. Holy shit.
A bunker.
Oh, I think we're... Oh no, we're in the... hey, what's this? We're in the suites that are... no, it's not.
Bath right on it. Who's his bath right on it?
Ah, shit. Do you want to go upstairs?
Yeah.
Let's take a tour of the upstairs. Whoa, there's underground. Whoa, this one's fucked up. It's dark as hell. Liam, you're too loud on the stairs. We just went in the front. Got all this shit. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, I'll do really good filming. Here is... what room is this? Pretty chill.
Do not remove and come here.
Do not remove. Wait. Oh, dude, this is so chill. I said, get down. Get down. Get down. There's a guy. Bathtub. 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 That means there's 3 suites. Let's go on the roof, yo.
People.
Oh, fuck. There's a guy right there, yo. This is heaty, guys.
Dude, he can't see through these windows. Only we can see through these windows.
See him down there? I just farted. It smells really bad. Oh, low battery. Shit, he's looking. How do we get out of here? Leave.
Shit, they're looking right at
Go, go, now. He's good. You're good. We have to get out of here. He's coming. Fuck's that? Ah, shit. Stop. Not yet, dude. We don't know what's out there. Fuck it. Sit here. Look casual. That includes our tour of the day. Wait. This is the house. How about the creek? And that's where we enter. See that big door? That was effed up.